Understanding JavaScript Array Find method. The find function is an inbuilt function of JavaScript Array class. It is used to get the value of the first element in the array that satisfies the provided testing function. If no elements satisfy the testing function, it returns undefined. Syntax of the find function. The syntax is ar.findTest callback elemented array, this arg. Here, r is the array on which we are calling the find method, and test callback is the testing function which we need to execute on each element of the array. Parameters of the JavaScript Array Find method. Test callback, a required function that will be executed for each element in the array until it returns true. Element, the current element being processed in the array. Index, the index of the current element being processed in the array. Array, the array find was called upon. This arg, an optional parameter used to tell the function to use this value when executing argument function. How does JavaScript Array Find method work? The find method executes the function for each element in the array in ascending order. The method stops at the first element for which the function returns true. Example provided where it stops when it finds the number 12, which is the first number in the array that is greater than 10. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Mutable data. If array contains objects or arrays, the find method will not create a new copy of them. Any changes to these objects or arrays will be reflected in the original array. Empty arrays. If the find method is called on an empty array, it will return undefined. Unintentional side effects. Avoid including code that causes side effects in your testing function, as the find method is not supposed to change the array it's called on. To avoid these errors, always check your data before calling the find method, use immutable data whenever possible, and avoid causing side effects in your testing function. Conclusion: the JavaScript Array Find method is a powerful tool for retrieving data from arrays. By understanding how it works and being aware of common pitfalls, you can use this method effectively and avoid common errors. By practicing with different types of data and testing functions, you can become proficient in using the find method to solve complex problems. As always, happy coding!